10 uses for Coca-Cola you probably didn't know. About offers 10 alternative ways to use Coca-Cola, most of which we hadn't heard of before. 1. Natural curls. The orthophosphoric acid in the drink solders the hair cuticle, making the strands look shiny and slightly waved. The drink's low pH level also normalizes the acid-alkaline balance, which is important for those with dry and brittle hair. Wet your curls freely with Coca-Cola, and after 5-10 minutes wash your hair with shampoo. By the way, this is what the well-known actress and model Suki Waterhouse does sometimes. 2. Chewing gum removal. There's no need to panic if you've suddenly got bubblegum stuck to your hair. Pour some soda on the gum, and leave for several minutes. Then slowly and carefully remove the gum. The process is long, but it's certainly better than cutting your hair off. 3. Hair bleach and gift dyeing. Made your hair color too dark or bright, you can bleach it a little by washing with Coca-Cola. Such an effect can be explained by the presence of citric acid and essential citrus oils in its recipe. 4. Pest protection. Indian farmers spray their crops with Coca-Cola to protect them from insects. These are not chemicals, but a sugar syrup. It attracts red ants, the pest's worst enemies. And if you have slugs in your garden, you can also get rid of them using Coca-Cola. Just pour some of the drink into saucers, and put them in different places. 5. Pain relief. If you have uncomfortable bite marks left by insects, put a cotton pad soaked in Coca-Cola on the affected area. Itching and burning will significantly reduce. This is probably due to the caffeine, which has an anesthetic effect. This is why Coca-Cola can also be used on jellyfish. STIMGS. 6. Bathroom cleaning. Thanks to the orthophosphoric acid, Coca-Cola dissolves limescale and other impurities very well. Use a sponge or sprayer to apply the liquid. Leave it for several hours or, better still, overnight, and then wash it. By the way, this acid refers to permitted food additives and isn't harmful if you consume it in reasonable quantities. 7. Fat dissolution. The acids and caffeine are good fat solvents, which is why the drink can be used to wash dishes and kitchen surfaces. Cover the utensils with Coca-Cola, leave for several hours, and then wash as usual. 8. Acrid smells. 10 uses for Coca-Cola you probably didn't know about. If things smell like gasoline or gas, soak them in a 1:1 mixture of water and Coca-Cola before washing. The drink will also help to get rid of fishy smells and other unpleasant odors. Don't add it to the washing machine or use this method to lighten things. 9. Coin cleaning. Place the tarnished coins in a high narrow container and fill it with Coca-Cola. Wait 10-15 minutes, then shake the container as if you were a bartender making cocktails. Then wash the coins under running water. 10. Rust removal. Coca-Cola copes perfectly with rust, so you can use the drink to loosen rusted bolts, clean metal items, and solve other problems provoked by rust. Freely pour Coca-Cola on the affected area, then rub with a sponge. If the rust is too old, use foil.